On my last video, this happened. Why did my camera just stop? I had to use a Zit Popper to pry out that battery. Hi there, I'm trying to find GoPro batteries.
Ah, we would help you.
Which one? X4? X3?
Okay, thank you so much. Yay! I got my batteries. I got 2. Oh, that's all I had, but I'll get more later, I'm sure.
There you go.
Yay! They took the bolting batteries, so I recycled environmentally. I feel good about that. Yeah. To my moped. Yahoo! I got my battery to work, put my new batteries in my GoPro, and guess what? It works like a charm. Let's go check out some beautiful sights in Waikiki. It's my friend, the Bushman. Hi. He likes to scare people that aren't paying attention when they walk by, and they whoop, and they go, ooh. And it's so funny. Can't miss it. He's a great guy. So if you're along here in Waikiki, there's a little alleyway with all of these surfboards. And come through here, and there's one of my favorite ice cream shops. Come on. This is the place right here, Banan. I'd like to get a cup of the dark fantasy.
Yeah.
And if you could just put a few extra carob chips in there.
Yeah, chocolate chips?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
There we go. Say hi. These people rock. This is awesome. Look at this. Look how good this is. This is yum yum. Cool. Oh. They're so good. This is so good. This is so good. And I can't think of a better place to eat it than on the beach. And there is Diamond Head. Dark fantasy in the beach in Diamond Head. Oh yeah! Yum. This is the best. This is the best. Banan, thank you. Fresh strawberries, carob, and chocolate, dairy-free chocolate. See if I can do this well. Making it fall or anything. Look at this. Look at this strawberry. Oh. That is the best. Oh, that statue gets so much attention. You gotta come by and get your picture with Duke Kahanamoku. Yeah, he's like the best. Wild waves out there, lots of surfers, and hopefully the lifeguards haven't been too busy. You can see it's pretty choppy out there. Ah! Whew. Almost got wet on that one. Whew, I'm so glad I got new batteries. Now I can go out and have so much fun here in Waikiki, and you can see the waves and people having so much fun. Yeah, enjoy this. So don't let your batteries get so old they expand and they're hard to get out of your camera. Get some new ones and get some new life and pep in your stuff and go out and find some adventure and fun. Keep doing the dream.
If you'd like to see more adventure video, watch this.